Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Still Rain and welcome back to the channel. And today we're going to be looking at the 9-piece RaceDayQuads drone racing toolkit that is pretty handy for something you have out in the field. Now, I know it's not the the most exciting thing in our hobby and everything, but inevitably when you're out in the field, you're going to need one of these toolkits to get you through any sort of repairs or bolt tightening or anything like that. And if you're anything like me, I didn't have a second toolkit, so I'm always, grabbing stuff off my bench and throwing it in my bag, and then inevitably I always end up forgetting something, so I just thought this would be the best way to go. And for $19, this thing has pretty much got everything you guys are going to need for the field, for basic repairs and things like that. So we'll go ahead and get into it. As you can see, it comes in a nice kind of nylon zipper case. And inside, you always have a card. Good to have with you, channel frequency card. This comes with every one of RaceDayQuads orders, which is always nice to have, so I just leave one in here. So inside, you're going to find a nice little flathead. Over here, you're going to have a 2mm wrench. Over here is going to be the Phillips head. Right there is going to be your 2.5mm wrench. And something I always forget to bring with me, a good prop tool. Get your prop nuts off. It's always good to have a few of these laying around, so it's nice it came with this toolkit. Comes with a set of, I guess it'd be little tweezers here. Those always come in handy in case you're soldering wires out in the field. And over here, everybody needs a good pair of pliers. And these tools, I could say that they feel pretty decent quality. They feel real tight. They don't feel like junk. Of course, you got scissors, always good for cutting tape and a few other things. And wire snips. These are pretty much indispensable when you're out in the field. I mean, I always end up using these or needing these. So, and it also has an extra pouch right here, which you could put different tools and things like that in there. I just put a bunch of zip ties. Good, easy, tight place to put them. Really easy and nice compact case, as you can see. Everything seems real nice quality. The one thing I do want to see Tyler Brennan and RaceDayQuads incorporate into this kit, and my one complaint, you have the 2 and a 2.5mm wrenches here. The one wrench that's missing out of this entire kit is the 1.5mm wrench that a lot of camera screws on your FPV cameras use. That's really the only thing that's missing. I'm just going to find, one of those angled Allen wrench 1.5mm tools to kind of complete this kit. But, I'd rather have that over, a flathead. Not many guys use flatheads or Phillips heads for drone racing nowadays. You really don't see them. Most of the time there's some sort of hex wrench like that. But overall, I think this is a great toolkit, especially for the price of $19.99. I mean, if you tried to piece this entire kit, with all this junk together, it would cost a lot more, and then you wouldn't get a nice little carrying case to throw in your bag. So that's pretty much going to be it, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, and share. And if you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please leave them in the normal place below. I'll see you guys next time.